A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Meet Monica Aurora, a musician, a dancer, a teacher, a businesswoman, a mother.
She was born on 5th January 1974 in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. Belonging to a musical background, she is immensely talented in music and dance. One day, she accompanied her elder brothers to their school as a child and met their principal. She performed Kathak to the perplexed woman and got selected directly into the same school for her elementary education. She moved to a different school after her elementary education, and there she was known as a mini music teacher. She started leading in all her school music and cultural activities and won almost all the top events. She was selected in Rashtriya Pratibha Khoj from Uttar Pradesh. At the junior school, she was diagnosed with rheumatic chorea. She continued performing despite this and managed to win awards. She was honored by the Governor of Kenya for her music achievements and social works. She was also honored by All India Radio in 1997 on the occasion of Swadhinta Swarn Jayanti for organizing the best cultural program in Uttar Pradesh. She fought her childhood disorder bravely throughout her college life and continued winning awards in every cultural event. She did various internships, led her college events, and managed to organize various cultural activities like fashion shows, charity shows, and so on. She acquired a master's in Hindustani music and went on to obtain several other degrees and diplomas in musical instruments and vocals including Kathak. While all these was going on, she got engaged in Uttarakhand and eventually got married. This was a drastic change in her life because she had to leave her in-laws for their ill behavior. She decided to relocate to Rudrapur along with her toddlers. She was alone in the new city, except for the company of her toddlers. She started her institute, Saraswati Institute of Music and Fine Arts, where she mentored differently abled widows, deaf, dumb and blind children, and worked for women empowerment, including Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. She also managed to mentor poor children and the elderly for free. Monica now holds an MA in music, a 6-year degree course in vocals, Kathak and guitar called Sangeet Prabhakar, a 4-year diploma in synthesizer, a 2-year diploma in computer operating program assistance, and a diploma in music therapy. She went through a lot of tough times in 2012 and even lost her voice and could not walk. She still managed to run her institute all alone with no financial support and continued to mentor her students. She managed to send her students to the big reality TV shows. Monica has written a lot of articles, poems and so on that have gotten on a lot of platforms including TED Talks. They have also been broadcasted at All India radio station. It is obvious from Monica's work and background that she is self-motivated by her past and her struggles. She took her social work further by undertaking a research on differently abled children from Rajasthan. She has gone to Ahmedabad, Delhi and Uttarakhand for further research work at various rehabilitation centers. She participated in child awareness programs held in Gujarat Institute of Education and Technology. She was Vice Secretary of Sahitya Parishad, Uttarakhand from 2016 to 2017. Monica was also head of Department of Music and Dance at Sanskar Bharti from 2010 to 2018. She participated in the Teachers Development Program organized by the English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad, in 2013. She also participated in Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, Uttarakhand as a motivational speaker. Apart from being diagnosed with another disease that she fought with her willpower, she went through the big tragedy of losing her son in an accident on 1st of March 2019. For the past 1 year, she has gone through healing with music therapy. She continues to take music therapies on differently abled children. She also continued her masters in music therapy from Chennai. Monica is struggling and working bravely on her own and has never taken any loans or grants from government or anybody else. Her parents are her biggest motivation and emotional support. Monica has been an inspiration and a huge motivation for society and her country. As a result, she has received a lot of awards and recognitions for her work and impact. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Impossible means I am possible.